Hi everyone, and thanks for coming back to our channel. I've been playing around with camera settings again, and I thought I'd try a shoot with some birds at a high frame rate. This means I can make a video in slow motion. It's fascinating to see how the flight of birds like great tits looks different when you watch it at a quarter of its normal speed. You can really see how the birds almost hang in the air at times. By the way, these bird feeders are great for small birds. The small birds can get the food, but larger birds, such as pigeons and corvids, can't get to the food. If you've enjoyed this video, please give our video a quick like. It would be great if you could click the subscription bell too, as this really helps our channel. Thanks for watching.